Hi guys! Farming accounts with automation is a common method, especially for those managing a large number of accounts due to its convenience. I find this topic quite interesting, and since many people are curious about it, today I'm making another video about automation. To create an automation script, people usually use different methods. I see two main ways, either creating your own code or using pre-made scripts from a tool. If you're into coding, you can make various scripts based on what you want. But not everyone can do this because it requires specific coding skills. In addition, you also need to find a tool that supports importing external code or can run your code. Alternatively, you can use the second method, which is more convenient, using ready-made scripts provided by the tool. Most automation tools in the market have a bunch of scripts available, and the number of free ones varies. They mostly focus on simple warm-up account scripts. In my previous video on automation, I talked about using a VPS with automation tools or an anti-detect browser with automation features to handle a large number of accounts. Those using an anti-detect browser have more options. For instance, you can create scripts by dragging and dropping ready-made commands. This means you just pick and arrange these commands to create a complete script. This way is more straightforward than the other two because you don't need to know how to code, you can still make scripts as you want. Currently, as far as I know, only HideMyac and GenLogin have this drag-and-drop feature for anti-detect browser commands. If you know of any others, please let me know in the comments. Now, about HideMyac, it's a tool I've been using for a long time to handle registrations and account management. When using its automation feature, you can import code, use free pre-made scripts, or drag and drop commands. What's interesting about HideMyac's automation, compared to other tools, is that it records the actual user actions on a website. If I'm not mistaken, it's the first anti-detect browser with this automation feature. To create an automation script, you just need to press the record button. A new profile will be created. Open the website you want to use, press start, and carry out your actions. Let me show you a quick demo on eBay. Click on the search bar, type a keyword, and press enter. The system records both your mouse and keyboard actions. The selector follows the website standard, so you can be confident your clicks are correct. This is the search result. Scroll, choose to view any product. Then view similar suggested products. Go back to the search page. I'm doing this demo quickly. Name the script, press save, and it's done. The script is saved as a drag-and-drop flow of commands, and you can edit it if needed. To run the script, press Run Test. It runs smoothly, even showing the mouse cursor on the screen. The profile will automatically close after the script finishes. I find this feature handy because you can actively perform actions to create scripts as you want. Note that this record feature works for all types of websites, but for heavy sites, it might take longer to load data. Combining automation with an anti-detect browser like this is a safe and effective choice for those managing a large number of accounts. I hope this video has helped you with an effective way to create automation scripts. If you find the video useful, please give it a like and subscribe. See you in the next videos.